Haley and me. And today we're going to make some slime. And what you're going to need to make this foolproof slime is some water, half a cup of water, half a cup of white glue,
that's what we already know,
half a cup of liquid starch, your choice of food coloring, a mixing bowl, spoon, and I have some glitter just in case.
I'm gonna
okay.
have some glitter.
Okay, half a cup of water. Ow, that was my toe.
Sorry. Is it your broken one?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so half a cup of water.
Give me it. Give me it.
Half a cup of water for you.
I hope this slime turns out good.
It always does. This is the one that it never fails. And half a cup for you.
No, for sure.
Okay, and then we do half a cup of white glue. Oh, now we're...
So who cares about the glue? Looks like frosting. It's puking frosting.
Looks like our glue's been sitting a little bit.
Yeah. And do we mix after that?
Nope. Well, yeah.
Oh, we do mix after that. Yeah, mix mine.
Yes, please.
Frosting.
Sorry, my arm is in the shot here.
This looks like noodles. Some white, nasty noodles.
Okay. And then half a cup of liquid starch. But first,
let our daughters mix.
Stir glue and water together. Add your food coloring, about 6 drops. So make sure your stuff is all mixed. Okay, when everything is all mixed, do you want the same colors? Do you want different colors? Food coloring, what color?
Blue. I'm getting blue. We're both getting blue.
What? No.
Yeah.
No.
Blue.
How about you do... There, look at, there's pretty...
Neon colors?
There's neon colors. There's...
I'm gonna pick yellow.
There is... green and purple. Or pink.
There's pink? Oh yeah, I want purple.
So...
Can I have that,
So this one's purple, and this one's blue. So you guys are just switching colors now.
Yeah. I'm gonna have that.
So now you want yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean green.
My
Killing
spoon went in the water.
Killing me, Smalls.
Mom, when I dropped on accident.
Uh-oh. Okay, keep mixing. Okay, put about, what did I just say, 4 to 6?
6.
About 6 drops.
6 drops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now mix.
Okay, and now mix it together.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now stir.
Okay, stir.
Whoa! Mine's turning super purple. And mine's turning really cool.
Oh, yeah, yours is like a
This is like
neon green.
Neon green?
Okay, so let's add our glitter in there before we do anything else. So, Haley, you wanted what?
I want that gold color.
Okay, I'm going to do this.
So I don't...
Hey, your spoon's going to fall in there again.
I also want gold.
Well, you're going to do the silver. Okay, I'm going to dump this whole vial in there.
What?
Well, yeah, it's a lot of gold. It's very fine. And we have a bunch of it. So why not? Let's give it a whirl.
Oh, okay. You look good.
Whoa.
Oh my God. Can I be too much glitter?
Too much glitter? And you can never have too much glitter. Let me see.
No. Oh my God, that's so cool.
You just gotta mix it in there, babe.
Can I put my whole chunk of glitter in?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna do sprinkles.
No, oh, that's fine. You can open it, but... Okay, you continue to do that. Mixy, mixy. Oh, that's gonna be fancy.
Good, Hannah, good, Hannah.
Here, why don't you open the...
Shake it a little bit.
Oh, no shaking, honey. There is no shaking in this.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay.
There's air bubbles.
And once you mix that all together, you add in your liquid starch.
Cornstarch, whatever.
Yep.
Oh, there's a spider on it.
There's a spider?
Yeah, look. It's live.
Not anymore, it ain't. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Looks like this.
Okay, excuse me.
Yeah.
So 1/2 cup of cornstarch.
Oh, God. Oh. And then mix.
Yep, and start mixing. Look at it, it's already making the slime in there. Get your spoon and get it out.
It's
I don't
not
wanna
gonna
touch
even...
the
sticky glue.
Oh, child.
I know. Child.
You're gonna have to get your hands yucky anyway. It's part of science.
Yeah.
Bloop.
No, I stir.
All right.
I'm gonna stir. Come on, Mama, you can do. You guys have to stir, all right? You have to stir.
Okay, stir it up.
Stir! Oh, it's getting a hint. Thanks. Yeah, look. It's becoming slime already.
You gotta get a good mix in there. You might have to use your hands.
Oh, no.
Let me see.
Oh.
Ew. Get the spoon.
See, it's all sticky.
Yeah, but once you start working it, honey, the stickiness goes away.
Hey, it looks like boogers. I just
rubbed it. That's nice.
It looks like boogers.
That's just disgusting. Haley, you're making a mess, baby. You're gonna put it all over your pretty clothes.
This looks like purple boogers. I don't want.
So gross right now. Look, see, it's already, it's like foolproof. You cannot half of everything, and you can't mess it up. Can you hold that? You're gonna get some training and back up a little bit so people can see things.
Ew, butter.
Yeah, see? Look how awesome it's turned out.
So, this is our video.
Look it. Perfect.
Bye, guys.
No, we're not leaving yet. We gotta do yours.
Wait. So awesome.
So, Hannah, this is yours. And you just kind of have to collect everything on the sides. Stick it all together.
This is my slime, as you see.
Oh my God, people are gonna get sick watching this video because they're just getting bounced everywhere.
Sorry. And that's our pool. If you can see, this one is mine. And
okay, look at do Sissy's slime. Hey, Sissy slime.
Okay.
There's Sissy slime.
Yeah. It's boogers.
Oh, and look, some of your slime got taken off of me, so some of it's on here.
It's okay. It's still. Let me just poke this. Come on, let's.
So if you guys want to make it, try it. It's pretty much foolproof. You just can't mess it up. So, what are you filming here?
I have no idea.
There you go. Oh, I can't touch it because I got nasty hands. Okay, there's Haley playing. Haley, use your hands, not the spoon. You're gonna. Yeah.
I have purple noodles.
Can you see the shimmer? I don't know if you could. Whoa. I don't know if you could see the. Kind of see the glitter in there. Can you see the glitter in yours better?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. See, the glitter's pretty cool. You dump the whole vial in there, you're good to go. All right, look at that. The easiest recipe, and you could do all kinds of things with this.
Oh, it's so soft.
So soft. You're so weird.
So soft.
Okay, you guys make it, enjoy it, tell us what you think, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey, look at this.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye, Yeets.
Okay, bye guys. We'll see you on the next.